Use relevant and keyword-rich titles and descriptions for your videos. Create and use tags that are relevant to your video and include your target keywords. Optimize your video's thumbnail by using a visually compelling image that represents your video. Create playlists to group videos together and make it easier for viewers to find more of your content. Use annotations and end screens to encourage viewers to watch more of your videos and subscribe to your channel. Interact with your audience by responding to comments and creating a community around your channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach new audiences and gain more visibility. Use YouTube Analytics to track your progress and make data-driven decisions on how to improve your content and reach more viewers. Create a YouTube channel trailer that gives new visitors a good overview of your channel and what they can expect. Finally, upload videos regularly and consistently to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more.